Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohamad Alias from RK08. Today my friends and I would like to talk about a thermodynamic that have in our surrounding. The object that we have choose is a condenser of air conditioning like this. We hope this video can add our lesson in thermodynamic. Happy watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Ahmat Zaki bin Jamaludin. Today I would like to discuss some of basic concept and introduction about the air condenser. As we know, there's various type of air conditioner in Malaysia. Example, centralized aircon system and home aircon system. Okay, usually centralized aircon system use the condenser type using water cooled condenser. However, the home or we call air split unit air conditioner is use the air type condenser. Okay, why we use the air type condenser for home using air condenser? It's because the maintenance cost more practicable for home using the air conditioner.
The main component in the system of air conditioning system is fan, compressor, condenser coil, evaporating coil, and refrigerant. Fan installed inside and outside. And inside fan it is small and consists of horizontally blade in the compartment. The purpose of fan is to create the airflows in the system. For coil, we have two coils, condenser coil and evaporating coil. Condenser coil is placed in outside. It exchanges heat as cooling down. The gases stay to the liquid state. Latent heat then transferred the gases and being transferred into the outdoor ambient temperature. For evaporating coil, it is located inside the compartment of the conditioning system. Coil inside the compartment absorbs heat from the air of the system or your room as a system. The refrigerant becomes warmer and then travels into the condenser coil. Last but not least, refrigerant. Refrigerant is used as a chemical liquid or a chemical fluid, act as a transportation of the heat transfer. The mostly commonly used is R410A.
I would like to continue my part. My part is a work principle of condenser. Condenser is an heat exchanger. It rejects heat to the surrounding by using the fan. The fan absorbs the heat from the gas in the condenser. When gas flow into the condenser from the compressor, the condition of the gas is hot and the pressure of the gas also high. But when gas flow out from the condenser, the condition of gas is cool and the pressure become low. To continue the parts, I will pass to my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Aniq bin Shahrany from RK08. Today I would like to talk to you guys about the working principle of a condenser. As we all know, all air conditioners have a condenser. A condenser unit are used in central air conditioning system. It is typically has a heat exchanger section to cool down and condense incoming refrigerant liquid or into liquid form. So we can conclude that this condenser obeys the first law of thermodynamics, which is the law stated that energy can be transformed from one form to another but can't be created nor destroyed.
My name is Mohamad Firdaus from RK08 course. Okay, today I will be sharing with you guys about the importance of condenser. Right, during that period of time, People have issues on having a suitable and comfortable climate. Back then, the cooling medium was only by using a fan to cool down probably most everything. Alright. But the main major problem is keeping their groceries fresh for a quite period of time, such as meat, fish, and etc. Back to the importance of condenser, or should I tell air conditioning system. Nowadays, we all can see that almost everything is we need air conditioning system, such as in our class, in our house, in our room, basically, even in our house appliances, such as a refrigerator. We need it mainly to store our fresh food, such as meat and fish and etc., our vegetables and everything. So from that, we can conclude that the condenser is a very, very important things in our life. So that's all from me. Thank you.
That's all from our video. We have already explained about the condenser and the thermodynamic. We hope this video make useful to our future. Thank you.